Dropping a hard drive can be a disastrous experience for one to have. A small fall from your hand or your PC table may cost you a lot of money and risk of losing valuable data that you may never be able to recover. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you some methods that can help you to repair and retrieve data from your dropped external hard drive. But before you think about how to repair and recover your important data from a dropped hard drive, let's understand some important parts of a basic hard disk and its functions. This will help you to identify the damage to your fallen external hard disk. A platter is a rotating disk coated with magnetic material that stores all data. Your hard drive may have one or more platters depending on the storage capacity. The spindle is the motor that rotates the platter at high speed. It can hold one or more platters in a hard drive. The actuator arm is the mechanism that supports the read and write head. The read-write head is the most delicate part of the hard drive. It stays just a few nanometers above the platter disks to perform read and write functions on the platter. Moreover, all hard drives are fitted with a protective casing to keep these delicate parts together and safe, but a small drop may damage the read-write head. On the other hand, a severe fall may bend the platter disk or damage the spindle. In most cases, when you accidentally drop your hard disk, the impact of the fall may damage the read and write head. If the drive was dropped on a hard surface or you threw it away in frustration, then such actions may result in severe damage and cost you a lot of money. Here comes the main question. How would you check the damage to your fallen hard disk? Well, there are some ways that can help you to identify the damage to your dropped hard drive. First of all, if your hard drive falls from a short height or you throw it out in frustration, in that case connect your hard drive to your PC and listen to it properly. In case you hear any clicking or whirring sounds, then disconnect your hard drive from your PC and contact a hard drive recovery specialist to repair your dropped physical hard disk. In short, the cost of repairing depends on the extent of damage. It may cost you from $100 to $1,000. First, examine your dropped hard disk. If you have detected any internal or external damage or malfunctioning from your dropped hard drive, then do not repair it yourself, because a small mistake may result in permanent loss of your valuable data and you will never be able to get back data from a fallen external hard drive. Luckily, if your drive did not sustain physical damage and your PC is not able to recognize your hard disk, then there is the possibility that your hard drive is corrupted. In that case, you can use data recovery software to retrieve data from your dropped hard drive. In case your hard disk survived the fall and did not suffer any physical damage, then you can use reliable data recovery software to get back your data from a fallen external hard drive. To do this, you can install Stellar Data Recovery Professional on your PC. This data recovery tool can repair a corrupted or failed hard drive and easily recover data by creating a disk image of your dropped hard disk. For better understanding, I have divided the recovery process in two parts. In the first part, I will create a disk image, and the second part will cover steps to recover data from the disk image. So let's create a disk image of your dropped hard drive first. To do this, I've installed the Stellar Data Recovery Professional on my PC. The installation process was easy, like any other software. Now, I'm launching the Stellar Data Recovery Professional software on my PC and entering the activation key by selecting the key icon. I have already purchased it from Stellar's official website. If you do not have an activation key, then you can buy it from the Stellar's official website. I have added the link in the description below. Once you have made a successful purchase, the activation key will be sent to your registered email address. Next, I am going to connect the dropped physical hard drive to my PC. Then, click on the hamburger icon and select Create Disk Image. After this, I am going to select my dropped hard disk, click on the Start Imaging button, then select the destination. Finally, click on the Save button and we will wait until the scanning is over. As you can see, I have successfully created a disk image of my fallen hard drive. Now, let's move on to the second part. Here, I will extract my data from the dropped external hard drive. To do that, I am back to Stellar Data Recovery's dashboard. First, I am going to click on the hamburger icon to select the Recover from Disk Image option. Next, select the image name, and after clicking on the Scan button, we will wait until scanning is completed. Now, a quick tip for you. If you want to speed up the scanning process, then turn on the Preview option. Now, I am going to preview the scanned files and click on the Recover button. Next, select the Browse button to choose the destination for recovering data from the dropped external hard drive. Finally, I am clicking on the Start Saving button and wait till the data is restored on my PC's hard drive. In case your dropped hard drive has suffered physical damage, then you can contact Stellar Data Recovery Lab Services to retrieve your valuable data from the fallen hard disk. To do this, go to Stellar's Data Recovery Lab Services official website. I have put the link in the description, and click on the Ask a Free Code button. Next, I am going to select the hard drive option and click on the Get Free Code. Then, select the storage size and click on Next. As you can see, there are options to select the type of damage for the dropped external hard drive. In my case, the hard disk was dropped. So, I am going to click on the Physical Damage option and select the Next button. Next, select the option Tried Recovery by using some software and click on Next. Finally, I will be filling up the contact details and submitting the request by clicking on the Get Free Code button. By doing this, a Stellar Data Recovery consultant will contact you during working hours. Now, it's time for some valuable tips and tricks to keep your hard drive safe from accidental damage. Always use an external cover case to keep your hard drive safe from accidental faults. A hard disk is a delicate storage device and should be handled with proper care. A sudden fall on a hard surface may damage the read-write heads or platter disk. If you have accidentally dropped your hard drive, then first make sure to check for any external dents. After that, connect it to your PC and look out for any internal damage. And don't try to fix your dropped physical hard drive on your own. In case you wish to recover your essential data from an external hard disk, then seek out professional help. You can use Stellar Data Recovery Lab Services. It is possible to recover data from your dropped external hard drive, but first examine your hard disk by connecting it to your PC. If you hear any weird sounds, then disconnect it from your PC and consult with a professional hard disk data recovery expert. However, if you are lucky and your dropped drive did not suffer any physical damage, then you can retrieve data from your dropped hard drive using third-party data recovery software. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates on data recovery. Thanks for watching this video.